bird decided to have babies in the garage, and so I would hate for that bird to leave me a bad review. So I set up a bird bath and I placed a drink, and we'll figure out which kind of food they prefer the most. I ain't been to it yet. Maybe I don't think they realize it's here. But yeah, I would hate for the bird to got about 5 eggs in there. I think 5 eggs in here. I would hate for them to give me a bad report to God, because that would be shitty. Can you see anything? Oh, is this the bird? Huh? That's the bird sitting on her eggs. But hopefully she realizes there's a spa, out here.